Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name is Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits. But the reason for this video today is actually we are looking for candidates. Are you looking for work? Are you a company that needs vacancies filling? If so, stay tuned. The reason for this video is because I think this is maybe a worldwide or certainly a UK first. Jobs TV is advertising all vacancies on YouTube. We'll also be putting them on Twitter, on Instagram for the worldwide audience. So if you're a company that needs vacancies filling, please like and subscribe. If you're a candidate looking for work in the UK and you want to stay tuned and you want to know what works in your area, like and subscribe. If you want to hear more information, please call 01746 768 666 or email me, Matt, on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Thanks for watching.